Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of pop-ups and scary alerts related to the website Sebckdyer.click. Sebckdyer.click is a deceptive site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. Such pop-ups by Sebckdyer.click could be the consequence of some adware enabled in the system. You should not trust these deceptive pop-ups. Furthermore, you can clearly see that there are some intrusive and pretty filthy pop-ups attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. So definitely the fact that these pop-ups by Sebckdyer.click attack your screen means that your system and your browser need to be fixed. Do not trust these deceptive pop-ups by Sebckdyer.click. I have hidden this malicious content that is displayed by adware in the right part of the screen. So you need to fix your browser to disable these intrusive ads. I recommend that you fix it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start thoroughly researching the system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and delete other threats which could possibly still remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.